Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching marginal costing. Data for 2 periods. Now let us start with question number 4. The sales turnover and profit of Messrs Amit Limited during the 2 years 2011 and 2012 were as follows. So in the given table, the sales amount and profit amounts are given for 2011 and 2012. You are required to calculate first PV ratio, second BEP sales, which is break-even point sales, third, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 2,40,000. Fourth, the profit made when sales are rupees 15 lakhs. So let us start with the solution. First, calculation of PV ratio. PV ratio is equal to difference in profit, which is also known as changes in profit, divided by difference in sales into 100, which is equal to difference in profit, that is rupees 1,50,000 minus rupees 1,20,000. So we'll record it, rupees 1,50,000 minus rupees 1,20,000 divided by difference in sales, which is rupees 10,20,000 minus rupees 9 lakhs. So we'll record it, rupees 10,20,000 minus rupees 9 lakhs into 100, which will be equal to rupees 30,000 divided by rupees 1,20,000 into 100, which will be equal to 25%. So the PV ratio is 25%. Second, calculation of BEP sales, that is break-even point sales. So BEP sales is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So the fixed cost amount we have to calculate. So let us prepare working notes. Working note number 1, contribution is equal to sales into PV ratio. For 2011, sales amount is given as rupees 9 lakhs into PV ratio, which is 25% as we have calculated it, which will be equal to rupees 2,25,000. Or for 2012, sales amount is rupees 10,20,000 into PV ratio, which is 25%, which will be equal to rupees 2,55,000. Now, contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So contribution amount will take as rupees 2,25,000, which is equal to fixed cost. So fixed cost amount we have to find out, plus profit. So profit amount is rupees 1,20,000 for 2011, as we have taken 2011 data to find out the fixed cost. So fixed cost is equal to rupees 1,05,000. So we'll record it, fixed cost as rupees 1,05,000 divided by PV ratio, which is 25%, which will be equal to rupees 4,20,000. So the BEP sales amount is rupees 4,20,000. Third, calculation of sales to earn a profit of rupees 2,40,000. So required sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost amount is rupees 1,05,000 plus desired profit, which is 2,40,000, divided by PV ratio, which is 25%, which will be equal to rupees 13,80,000. So the required sales amount is rupees 13,80,000. Fourth, calculation of profit when sales are rupees 15 lakhs. So required sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So required sales amount is given as rupees 15 lakhs, which is equal to fixed cost, that is rupees 1,05,000 plus desired profit divided by PV ratio, which is 25%. So desired profit is equal to rupees 2,70,000